Hey everyone, check out the Inprof Rolling Backpack for girls, a stylish and practical school bag with wheels. It features widened, adjustable shoulder straps, a padded back panel, and a comfortable sponge handle for easy carrying. The two-wheel design helps your child climb stairs effortlessly, and the trolley is detachable for versatile use. This set includes a large main bag, 2 zippered front pockets, mesh side pockets, a lunch bag, and a pencil case, providing plenty of space for school supplies. Perfect for school, travel, or outdoor activities, its shiny sequin design adds fun and flair. The backpack helps reduce your child's load, promoting healthy growth and comfort every day. Sized just right for elementary students, it's an ideal choice for young girls on the go. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.